Pertussis is a severe respiratory infection caused by the bacteria Bordetella pertussis. It is also known as whooping cough. The illness causes acute, uncontrollable coughing, making it difficult to breathe. While whooping cough can affect people of all ages, babies and small children are particularly vulnerable. Whooping cough looks to have the same symptoms as a typical cold at first: vomiting, blue or purple skin around the mouth, mild coughing, low fever, sneezing and running nose. You may also have diarrhea initially. A dry, persistent cough that makes breathing difficult may appear within 2 weeks. The illness might linger for a few days and is physically and mentally draining. If you or your child gets whooping cough symptoms, seek medical attention as soon as possible, especially if other members of your household have not been immunized. While on medicine, it is best to choose for other meals and ideas that can help reduce whooping cough symptoms. In this video, we are going to discuss 6 foods and some additional tips that can help you minimize the symptoms of pertussis. Number 1. Honey. Honey has antibacterial properties that can aid in the elimination of microorganisms that cause coughing. According to research, honey is a strong cough suppressant that can also help you avoid whooping cough. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger can be beneficial to you. It has antibacterial properties that can help prevent toxin buildup and clear the lymphatic system. It can also help to boost your immunity. Boiling ginger in hot water along with adding some honey makes a good cough syrup for reducing whooping cough. Number 3. Bone broth. Loading up on soups or smoothies containing bone broth will help you combat respiratory system inflammation, boost your immunity, and provide minerals to help you fight whooping cough. Number 4. Probiotics. Probiotics, according to study, can help you deal with inflammation and combat bacterial infections. So, make sure to include yogurt, buttermilk, and other dairy products in your diet to help you keep fit and healthy. Number 5. Almonds. Colds, coughs, whooping coughs, and other illnesses can be prevented and treated with almonds. Almonds are very easily digestible and have immune-boosting properties. Number 6. Garlic. If you have pertussis, consider adding garlic to your diet since it has remarkable properties and can aid in the treatment of colds and flu. Garlic also boosts our immune system and makes it easier to fight infections. If you are still watching this video, here are some additional tips that you should follow. Pertussis is a contagious disease. Staying indoors, taking prescribed medication along with the right meal will surely help you and other family members to stay away from the disease. Get plenty of rest. This can help your body battle the infection more effectively. Fresh air. Coughing can be relieved by keeping the air around you clear of dust, smoke, and other irritants. Drink plenty of fluids. Drink plenty of water or juice to stay hydrated. Call your doctor right away if you detect indications of dehydration, such as dry lips or peeing less frequently. Adults can protect themselves and their children against whooping cough by being vaccinated. Whooping cough vaccination comes in 2 varieties. DTaP for infants and toddlers. DAP for teenagers and adults. Tetanus, diphtheria, and whooping cough are all protected by both immunizations. Thanks for watching the video. We wish you good health. Subscribe our channel and we promise to deliver you with great content for a healthy life.